Hey guys, welcome to Techmates. Today's video I'm going to show you how you can reset Snapchat password without your phone number. So this guide takes less than 2 minutes. Let's get started. Open your browser, type in Snapchat support. You will see Snapchat support link, open it. In here select my account is compromised. And as you do that, you will see a form. For that, select this username box and type in your username. Select your email address, your phone number, and the description of your problem. You can mention what happened with your phone number that you cannot access your Snapchat account. Once done, select submit and make sure that you have entered the email address that you have access to in the form, and then they will send you an email and a customized solution on how you can fix your problem. If this guide had helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Techmates for more daily tutorials. And if you want a guaranteed answer to a question, join our Techmates membership today. Members get priority responses to their comments and questions. The link is right down below.